So today I get to take a look at something I've been wanting for a while. This is the Siphon Pro Jiggler hose. I do like that they got that in that nice Ziploc bag. So when we're done with it, we can just throw it right back in there. But this is it. Very simple thing. So this is the thing that makes everything work. This is the Jiggler. This is a copper valve with a glass bead on the inside. So when you pull up, none of the fluid is going to escape because the ball is going to seal that down. When you push it down, the ball is going to get out of the way. It's going to allow fluid to enter the tube. So we're just going to go down and up to fill that tube with fluid. And then through the power of gravity, we're going to use that to make that siphon. On the other side, we don't want this tube to be flopping around to where it can like drop out of a bucket or whatever container we're trying to put it in. So we got this clamp, and it's got its own little cap on it, which is actually kind of cool. So you got 3 different ways that we can clamp this on. So we can clamp it on the side of a bucket or something here. We also got this little ridged area, and then we got this nozzle pinch right here. So no matter what kind of a container we're trying to put the fluid in, we'll have something to make that work. Then all I have to do is get that fluid moving. There we go. And as long as I got this in there, it's just going to keep on draining. All I got to do is lift it out, and the siphon stops. So yeah, that is a nice, quick, easy way to siphon fluids. And the fact that we can do all this without a pump, we don't need to have access to power or air or any kind of pressure at all. It's just a siphon. Old technology, but it works like a champ. So overall, that is a very nice tool.